Are you looking for the best electric scooter for beginners? In this video we will look at some of the best electric scooter for beginners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. EOEOTWO GT06 Electric Scooter. EOEOTWO GT06 electric scooter adults 30 miles per hour 1200 watt motory scooter 11-inch off-road tire scooter with dual suspension side light creates a powerful emotional connection for riders seeking freedom beyond routine travel. Movement feels inspiring, energizing daily life with confidence, momentum, and personal control. Urban paths, open roads, quiet evenings become meaningful moments where independence grows naturally. Each ride encourages self-trust, replacing stress with calm focus and excitement. Design harmony supports balance, allowing smooth motion that feels safe, natural, and uplifting. Adults searching for reliable mobility discover joy through effortless cruising, turning ordinary commutes into rewarding experiences. Every journey invites exploration, curiosity, and pride, helping riders reconnect with motion without fear or limitation. This electric scooter supports modern lifestyles, blending purpose with enjoyment, making transportation feel personal rather than mechanical. Ownership reflects ambition, progress, and smart choice, appealing to individuals who value time, comfort, and emotional satisfaction. Riding brings a sense of achievement, transforming short trips into memorable escapes. EOEOTWO GT06 electric scooter adults 30 miles per hour 1200 watt motory scooter 11-inch off-road tire scooter with dual suspension side light represents confidence on wheels, empowering adults to move forward smoothly, freely, and with renewed enthusiasm every single day. Number 2. DriveTron DT01 electric scooter. DriveTron Delta Tango 01 electric scooter adults 36-volt 13 ampere-hour scooter long-range 25 miles lightweight kick scooter speaks to people who value freedom during everyday movement. Travel becomes calmer, smoother, and emotionally rewarding, helping riders feel relaxed while staying in control. Daily routines feel lighter when motion feels natural, steady, and reassuring. Streets no longer create pressure, instead offering quiet moments of focus and clarity. This electric scooter fits modern lifestyles where time matters and peace of mind matters more. Commuting transforms into personal space, allowing thoughts to settle and confidence to rise. Each journey supports independence, encouraging progress without stress or exhaustion. Riders feel proud choosing smarter mobility that respects comfort and balance. Simple handling builds trust quickly, making movement enjoyable even for first-time users. Lightweight structure supports flexibility, allowing effortless transitions between travel and rest. Long-distance capability reduces worry, replacing anxiety with assurance. Ownership reflects thoughtful decision-making, showing care for efficiency and emotional well-being. Urban travel becomes meaningful rather than tiring. DriveTron Delta Tango 01 electric scooter adults 36-volt 13 ampere-hour scooter long-range 25 miles lightweight kick scooter delivers a sense of purpose, helping adults reconnect with motion, simplicity, and confidence while moving forward calmly every day. Number 3. AOVOPRO G63 electric scooter. AOVOPRO Golf 63 electric scooter 11-inch off-road 2400 watt foldable 28 miles per hour max speed 60 to 75 km max range electric scooter for adult creates a strong connection between movement and emotion. Every ride feels like a quiet escape from pressure, offering balance during busy days. Roads feel more welcoming when travel becomes smooth and confident. This electric scooter supports a lifestyle where freedom matters and time feels respected. Riders experience calm focus, allowing thoughts to flow without distraction. Daily travel transforms into a personal moment of control and comfort. Choosing this scooter reflects smart thinking, showing care for modern mobility and self-trust. Urban paths feel lighter, helping adults move with confidence and pride. Each journey builds a sense of independence that inspires positive energy. The design supports flexibility, making transitions between work and rest feel natural. Long-distance travel reduces stress, replacing worry with reassurance. Ownership brings satisfaction through thoughtful choice, aligning progress with peace of mind. AOVOPRO Golf 6.3 electric scooter 11-inch off-road 2400 watt foldable 28 miles per hour max speed 60 to 75 km max range electric scooter for adult fits people who value calm strength, steady motion, and meaningful travel that supports everyday life with clarity and confidence.